In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner managing your own finances or part of a larger team, knowing how to efficiently record expenses is crucial for keeping your financial records up to date. So let's dive in and make the process simple and straightforward. To get started, first, you'll need to navigate to the Expenses section within Zoho Books. You can do this by locating the Purchases module on the left-hand sidebar. Once there, click on the Expenses section. This area is where you'll manage and enter any business expenses you've incurred, and it's designed to help you keep track of where your money is going. Next, you'll want to start a new expense entry. This can be done by either clicking the plus New Expense button located at the top right corner of your screen or simply selecting the plus icon found next to the Expenses module. Both options allow you to initiate the process of recording a new expense. Once you've opened a new expense entry, you'll see a form in front of you. Now it's time to fill in the necessary details about your expense. Start by entering the date. This is the date on which the expense was incurred. Make sure that this aligns with your receipts or invoices for accurate record keeping. Next, move on to the category section. You'll need to choose an appropriate expense account from the drop-down list provided, and if necessary, you can create a new category that better suits your needs. The next field to populate is the amount. This should reflect the total cost of the expense you're recording. Ensure that this figure accurately matches what's on your receipts to avoid discrepancies in your financial records. After that, you'll specify how the expense was paid. Use the Paid Through drop-down to select whether it was paid via a bank account, credit card, or another method. This helps maintain clarity regarding your cash flow and financial transactions. A crucial element of your record is identifying the vendor. This is the individual or company you paid for the goods or services. Input their name in the vendor section, and if they're not already in your system, you can easily add a new vendor to keep your records comprehensive. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary details, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button to record the expense permanently in your books. If you've got more expenses to enter, you can choose Save and New. This option not only saves your current entry, but also immediately opens up a new form for entering another expense, streamlining the data entry process. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to record an expense in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll ensure your financial records are always accurate and up to date, making financial management easier and more efficient for you and your team.